made it.
What do you mean you made it?
Yeah, I made it at home.
How'd you make it?
Well, all you need is a piece of cloth,
Okay.
coffee filter,
Coffee
and 2 hair ties.
So, what you're gonna need for this project to make the masks are a cloth. Just make sure it's like a big square. It can be a bandana or a t-shirt or a blanket. Just make sure you guys cut it up like this. Coffee filters and hair ties. The really thin ones.
Yeah.
So, it's really easy to make. First things first.
Lay out your cloth or bandana on the table, nice and flat. All right, I have my little creases here, so that's gonna help me to fold it. Now, when you fold it, you're gonna make sure that it's folded enough so that it could fit your nose and mouth. Okay, so once you fold it once, then you fold it one more time. Make sure that's flat. You get your coffee filter, place it in the middle. Then you're gonna grab the bottom and you're gonna fold that up to cover the coffee filter. Make sure that's tucked in nice and neat. Next, you get your 2 hair ties. You're gonna start with one side. You're gonna fold it a little bit just so you could get the hair tie in. Then you're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Fold it. Put the hair tie in. Okay, once you have your 2 hair ties in, you're gonna fold the 2 ends, and then you're gonna grab one end, open it up, and you're gonna tuck the other end inside. Then once you do that, you adjust it, make sure it's nice and neat.
And there you guys have it, your little face mask. Now with the scrunchies, what you're doing is you're gonna put this over your, you're putting it over your mouth like Victor, and with the hair ties, you're gonna put it over your ear. Okay?
Once you have it on, you adjust it. You can put it higher, lower. And there you have it. Send us your videos. Miami. 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 Let's go find that. Send us your videos. Some head ties.
Hair ties.
Hair ties.
Hair ties. It's okay, continue.
Yeah, they're super easy to make, guys, but they're super easy to make, so just follow along. It's
Okay guys, so it's really
place it in the middle. Alright, wait.
unless we leave it.
Yeah, I
and
think I
she
said it
comes-
again. You're gonna grab the bottom and you're gonna fold that up to cover the coffee filter because it's perfect. Nice and neat. And hair ties, hair ties, hair ties. Okay. Next, you get your hair ties. Okay.
Yes, mommy.
Yeah.
Ven, ¿tú lo quieres hacer?
I just flipped the switch. And we just know from 15.
We're gonna do a little dance. I'm gonna dance. I just hit the switch.
Ready?